Did you have fun?
Yes!
Yeah? Good, good, good.
Happy birthday.
Asan si April na?
Happy birthday, Miggy.
Message.
Wish you all the best. We're very glad that you're part of our friendship and happy birthday.
Nice. How about you? What's your message?
My message is,
Nalasing ako!
salamat. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. What's your message?
Maligayang kaarawan, Miggy.
Champion, ha? Ha? Champion? Ha? Maliwanag na 5,000 yan. Oh, ano, next year, ano?
Pwede.
Pwede? Ayaw na niya eh. Give chance to others naman daw. Ano masabi mo doon? Ano masabi mo sa give chance to others?
Paano na po, tita?
Ah, okay. Sabi kasi niya eh, give chance to others daw eh. Oh, these are Miggy's friends.
Defending champion na representative.
Oh, di ba ano? Di ba pwedeng guest na lang kayo kasi champion na?
Hindi ko po alam.
Oh.
Judge na lang.
Pero we're so proud of you and we really enjoyed the show when we watched. Di ba, boys?
Yes.
Sige po,
Saan yung
tita.
magandang babae na yun? Nawala na.
Ayun, may pagsuntukan.
Yan, ganyan talaga magagandang babae na ikipagsuntukan.
Walang kaarte-arte.
Yan, just like mom. Okay.
Salamat po.
Alright, no problem. Okay, bye.